Ready to get your hands on the best low-code application in 2026? Let's review the features and pricing of Appsmith, Budibase, ToolJet, and Retool to assist you in constructing internal tools faster. First, let's take a look at Appsmith. Appsmith is perfect for creating powerful open source internal apps using data driven JavaScript based code with support for custom SQL queries and ready to use widgets. In 2026, Appsmith is still priced reasonably, with the community edition being completely free for infinite users or self hosted. Meanwhile, the minimum business price is $15 per month per user or $150 per year per user. This is ideal for those technical teams that require advanced get and roles management. Second, we have Budibase. The visual and easy to use Budibase builder with its own database is great for building CRUD applications, forms, and automation workflows. The self hosted free version allows up to 20 users, and the monthly prices for Pro and Business tiers start at $15 per user and go up to $40 per month per user. This is suitable for simple business applications and teams with non technical members. Third, we have ToolJet. What makes ToolJet unique is its AI based application development, robust API or database integrations, and emphasis on self hosting. ToolJet is open source software with its basic plan available for free up to 10 applications. Its business plan costs approximately $20 per user per month, providing significantly more price controls than earlier. This tool is ideal for those interested in AI powered development and complete data ownership. And lastly, we have Retool. For enterprise level application development, Retool continues to be the benchmark with over 100 pre built components, mobile compatibility, and deep integration capabilities with other applications. It is free software up to 5 users. Retool's team plan is $10 per builder per month, along with $5 per end user per month, while its business plan is $50 per builder per month, along with $15 per end user per month. So, which one is better? Appsmith and ToolJet comes up tops if you're an open source lover and don't mind vendor lock-ins, but instead care about developer freedoms. Budibase comes out tops where simplicity and speed of use matters the most. Retool stops when scalability and a beautiful user interface matter, or if you can afford its per user pricing. In the end, it depends on your technical skills and data requirements. All platforms offer a free plan or trial period. Post your answer below in the comments section.